to the idiot girl, man.
Let us become our neighbors' keepers. Please.
Too much. Church on the side blow to you. You fool like. And disrespectful thing for the man.
Disrespect, sir.
So if you're not here to learn,
It's either you are born into wealth or you are born into poverty.
let this be an example to you all.
Time for a fiber.
You had consequences.
Mr. Enriquez? My name is Enriquez. Come, Miss Johnson, what is it? Mr. Enriquez, I think that your method of discipline is way out of line. You have to be more patient.
For real, I am.
Get off my decks, Mr. Bruce. Stand up, sir. Why are you sitting on the decks?
Sir, yes, come. Alright, sir. But, Miss Johnson, right? You have to examine some patience and some caution when you meet with the students.
I have not been patient. No, Mr. Enriquez, you actually pulled that little girl by her hair. Did you see her wanting to take over this institution?
But, sir, there's a better way. I see what I'm going on. And the whole classism thing.
And the fact that she's a student, she's a minor. You're an adult. You should be setting a better example.
For real, I am.
Yes, Mr. Enriquez. You both have the answers, so you can go ahead and fix it. Go ahead and fix the problem. But remember, it is on you. This is on your job.
Alright, I
Don't, Mr. Bruce. Go ahead, fix the problem.
know exactly how to
Mr.
fix
Bruce,
the
you
situation.
take it easy. And it is on your job, Miss Johnson. As a senior teacher, I don't expect you to be in my office talking like this. Go ahead, Miss Johnson. Go and fix the problem. You don't understand. I think Miss Johnson, this is a demon, Mr. Enriquez. You have a demon. There's a demon here. Excuse me, Mr. Bruce. I think he's a demon.
Alright, students, and I forward this side to the way to something different. I form a line right over here in front of the whole course. Come, Tola, walk up, she wait. Better than you. Then Miss Johnson, what make that kind of umbrella? Walk on.
Sir, out here hot.
You don't think son upon everybody else?
Sir, for them problems, they will carry them umbrella then.
No, this is exactly what the lesson is about. Privilege. You understand? So today we're going to talk about privilege. Alright, attention. So today we're going to have a race. So this is the starting line right here, so everybody join the starting line. And the finish line, go down where the goal post. Alright, item ready? Item over here, so ready? Alright, ready? Set. Hold on there. And before the item start, every one of the item have a different starting point. But every question will apply to you. Take one step forward. If it don't apply to the item, stay on in there.
yes, sir.
Alright, the first question. If an item want to pass this test, take one step forward.
What ya? Duh. But that is not book work. True.
If an item complete them assignment last week, take one step forward.
Sir, some question are too easy.
Alright, that was the test round. The item get ready for the real question them now. The item will live with both parents. Take a step forward.
What? What ya? Them not have nobody.
Bubbles, the attention man. Item will never got them bed hungry. Take a step forward.
Sir, this no fear.
If an item have a father figure in them homes, take one step forward. If an item have legal light and water, take one more step forward. If the item have access to internet, take one step forward.
Kind of question this, sir? You're two person.
Young man up yourself, man. I can't talk to the eye, so. Alright, the next question. Item, we have them, all of them school supply. Take one step ahead.
I see what sir is doing. He's segregating the students by social class. All the lower class students are behind, while the rest of us upper and middle class students are in the lead.
On the item in the front, the turn on and look back. You see, most of the questions them I'm ask now have nothing to do with what you do in a life, or even have control over. True, sir.
Talk truth.
We know the students them at the front stand a better chance going the systematic racism. But a life that somehow we just naturally born ahead of the race. We get a push start. That don't mean that they hide everyone at the back need to run a good race. A foolishness for things that somehow we didn't get more opportunity than so. But that is not an excuse for the hide them. Them have to still run them race. Everybody have to run them own a race. For the hide them up front, you think it's foolish. You think say you get ahead and you know try to learn somebody else. In a reality, if this was a fair race, all of who their back would have win easy. Anybody could have win this race right now. Only you can stop yourself. Yeah. Break all limitations. Yeah. Get ready.
Yeah.
On your mark.
Yeah.
Make your name a legacy.
Yeah.
Say, be a good example to society.
Yeah.
Yeah. Break all limitations. Yeah.
Wait, sir. Which episode of Squid Game this?
And all not the Squid Game. Student, this is not the Squid Game. This is a game about life. Alright class, in Jamaica, socialism is real. It's an issue we have to deal with. There's also a thing called privilege. Some of us get it, while some of us don't. For example, those who win the race, most of you don't have to worry about a nice meal or school material, while others have to struggle with these things. It's not your fault. It's either you were born into wealth or you were born into poverty or somewhere in between. You as students did not choose this life, but you are living it. I have been noticing that most of these privileged kids take advantage of the less fortunate ones. That in itself is a type of abuse that we cannot grow with. It doesn't mean you are better. Privilege or not, let's treat each other better. If the item didn't learn anything from this activity, you're not going to need help from a higher power. Yeah!
Rastafari! Sir, the only help I need comes from my father's bank account.
As long as the item pass the finish line, then pass the test. Wasn't that easy and a bit liberating? Alright, that's it for class. Look at Princess's life. It's bigger than all of us. Don't worry, don't think we want. I'll get what we get.
But I am not better than anybody else. I always evaluate my action and make the best decision to impact the world.
Let's put it this way. I know where the eye have, we make the eye a better person. And where the eye do it. I know how you live. And how you treat others. And you, Christian, is a wonderful human. I seen you treating others with respect and love. Keep it up. The eye is a true representative of one love. That's who you are. Just continue to be yourself. Who knows? You might be the one to change your life, carry you in the world. Keep doing good. And maybe the people where you do good for, I do it for others. And it become a endless cycle.
Really? Paid forward?
You can call it that. Be that one splash of water to create a whiskey.
Yes, that's a wonderful idea, sir. But, sir, if you think I'm such a wonderful person, why do you always tell me about my name?
You just want you to know say you have potential. But I want the eye to realize that. Yes.
Paid forward. That's not a word.
That was nice, Mr. Bruce. That was a good lesson. Full time they realize.
Yeah, man, I tell you they realize.
Look at them over there, sir. Sir, just explain something to them and look how they behave. Don't you just hate how them steal?
Kimmy, we don't hate, we mediate. There are so many people in this world that are dreaming for the fraction of the life we're living. We don't know how fortunate we are. Please, hold on to every precious breath that we're taking. Let us celebrate our lives. Live it, but not selfishly. Be kind to each other. Let it be our duty to help each other.
Don't want to the idiot again, man.
Let us become our neighbors' keepers. Please.
Chat too much! Sir, 27 blow to you. You fool like. And disrespectful things, sir, upon.
Disrespect, sir, and disrespect, Chris. What if we say we are going like we're better than people, even though we're better than them stick?
Yo, what joke to me, dog? And dead to me in a star.
Speak for yourself, gentlemen. As for me, make dead certain son better than them. Like, I mean up your son. And them don't get so. I'm gonna apologize for it. You crazy? And I'm my fault, my man. Cute, sexy.
Yeah, girl.
I want them. Make sure go and go clean up the dirty thoughts. My name dry it, daughter.
The apple not fall far from the tree.
Of course not.
It drop for shoulder.
I got them need head and shoulder. Shampoo. For them naughty head.
I didn't leave. Anyways, we did have to focus. Someone could have get a grade. But we did have to pretend in a class to get my grade. But I honestly don't feel good about it. It's a direct attack on our prosperity, you know. We didn't even make a complaint to the principal. I big disrespectful teacher at the time. My father stress and struggle to give me a good life. I'm not gonna make no dry rasta man come take what that from me. I come free me to take my one. That must be mad in here. We need to make a stand.
Yeah!
Time for a fight back.
Yeah!
No more wet discrimination. Yeah! So I want a chance for president. No, that's how you make a speech.
You're so inspiring. Really, Kimmy?
We're not responsible for nobody poor picnic.
Yeah!
We want justice. That we want, no.
Yeah!
I have 30 grand for we ear and 30 grand for we clothes. And 30 grand back for we wear. A justice to want in here. Yeah. We want
Justice!
We want it?
No!
We want
Justice!
We want it?
No!
Forward to Sir Enrique's office. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want
Justice!
When we want
Justice!
When we want it.
No!
When we want it.
No!
When we want
Justice!
When we want
Justice!
about? Are you students trying to gang up on me? What is going on here? Joanna! Joanna!
Miss, Bubbles have something to say, miss.
Speak up, Miss Bubbles Roach, or forever hold your peace. You know what? All of you disperse and go back to your classes this moment before I start suspending you all. Miss Bubbles Roach, as a ringleader, you get to explain all this shenanigans. Yes? And it better be good. Right this way. Now, close the door.
Baby girl, always remember the secret to life is looking good all the time. Good looks will catch you a good man.
Mom, I'm going shopping with my friends.
Make sure you use protection.
Mom, I'm just 16.
I was 16 when I had you.
Babe, we can't just have some time for myself. When my friend follow me, like me I go do you something. I'm gonna have on. That's how I'm kind of pregnant.
So Jackie try to drop on your big boss. Now set up.
Set up.
You sure, man?
Well, no sense. My eyes for you for a very long time. Don't you like a toy girl that would be anything?
Ian Jackman will face all the consequences because I will not have it repeated. I have a personal interest in your academic development.
Where you looking for? Liquor and liquor again.
Who's wanting to like me?
It doesn't make sense.
It's okay, you can say your piece.
Miss Kim is a wicked little girl.
I saw that part take my name one.
Look like your mama.
I know the truth. What? John Bull may have taken the picture, but Joanna was the one who
Joanna said, say, oh, speed bar, eat her seafood. Really?
Style, child style, man.
Yeah, style, brother.
But you know, me I hear say you tell people and I can't my name about say your money.
What me say? What me do?
Yo, Bubble say, Blossom say, Joanna say, you say, brother. Brother, watch out now. Me not hate
Don't worry, Joanna. I promise you, you'll be able to do CXC in prison.